Just like I told you guys last week that cryptos were going to start pumping as soon as these future contracts expire today for Bitcoin, Ethereum, then we are going to start seeing Dogecoin and all these other coins pump. They are absolutely pumping. They're killing the market right now. And Dogecoin is absolutely about to explode. Guys, I have read the most bullish news for Dogecoin ever, and I'm going to be sharing it with you in this video. So stay tuned into the end of the video because you cannot miss this information. Alright guys, let me know in the comments below, do you think we're going to start pumping crazily this weekend with your favorite cryptos, with Dogecoin, with Bitcoin, Ethereum? Do you think we're going to start pumping? Let us talk about it in the comments. Guys, go ahead and smash that like button if you want to see Dogecoin absolutely blast off. If you want to see your favorite cryptocurrencies blast off this weekend, which I believe they're going to start doing, which they've already done, I believe they're going to go a lot further. If you want to see that, smash the like button. And if this is your first time coming to the channel, this channel is all about Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies, and I call out big plays before they happen. So go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss time-sensitive videos that I call out that can potentially make you thousands of dollars. Also, join the Discord. We have over 600 active members. We're talking about stocks and cryptos. I put out my trade alerts there for stocks and cryptos. I call out these big plays. So if you guys want to make a lot of money in the stock market and cryptocurrencies, join the Discord through the Patreon, which will be linked in the description below. Without further ado, guys, just like I called out in my previous videos, for a whole week, a couple of weeks, I said that there is Bitcoin and Ethereum contracts, these futures contracts that are keeping the price down of cryptos. Yes, it has been keeping the price down. It has been pushing these prices down, but we are starting to see a recovery in the cryptocurrency space. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Polkadot, all of your favorite cryptos, some of them are absolutely killing it. They're blasting off to the moon. But we are seeing Dogecoin absolutely start to pump. We are at 5% in the green, and this is incredible. We are seeing a nice, strong recovery, and I think Dogecoin is going to start pumping to the higher levels that we are supposed to be at. We are supposed to be at above 6 cents, and I believe very soon, in the relative short term, it could be today, it could be within a couple of hours, or it could be within a couple of weeks, that we are going to blast off and get to the 6 cent level and then start pumping from there to get to higher levels. But I have some very important news, some information in a news article that is very bullish. It is some of the most bullish news I've heard yet for Dogecoin, and I'm going to be now sharing it with you. And later in the video, we're going to be doing some price targets with some technical analysis so we can truly find out accurately what is going to be happening for Dogecoin and your favorite cryptos. So I came across this article and it's very informative. It talks about certain catalysts that are going to be bringing Dogecoin up to the moon. And I'm going to be reading some of this article to you so you can gather some of this information without having to read all this boring information. So I'm going to read it off to you, the most important points, so that you can get it. But this news is absolutely incredible. So the article says, who let the Doge out? From a popular Doge meme, Dogecoin uptrend momentum looks like it's ready to outshine even the most popular cryptos in the market. That title is just very bullish, and let's see what it says. It talks about certain things that are going to be pumping Dogecoin. One of them is celebrity influence. We are seeing a bunch of ad campaigns from celebrities. Mia Khalifa. We are seeing rappers and many other people start to push Dogecoin, including Elon Musk. Of course, he has been pushing since the beginning. We are seeing government regulations, bank regulations, and other financial factors. Guys, look at this. This is incredible not only for Dogecoin, but for other cryptocurrencies. It says JP Morgan, Citibank, Goldman, and Sachs aim to establish crypto custody, while MasterCard is set to unveil a platform that will allow merchants to receive cryptocurrency payments. Visa has also published similar plans. So we are going to start seeing MasterCard and Visa create some type of platform where there's going to be a crypto wallet where you can receive crypto, where you can send crypto, and I believe Dogecoin is going to be included with these cryptos that are going to be able to be traded and sold and so forth. Let's take a look at this forecast. It says Dogecoin is up approximately 900% since January 2021, with trading volumes exceeding those of Bitcoin. This is predicted to continue through the second quarter. Guys, we are absolutely headed to the moon. We are up 900%. That is what, a lot more than Bitcoin has performed, and Ethereum and a lot of these other cryptos. It is one of the best performing cryptos and asset classes in the world. But the most important thing is it says the trading volume is exceeding Bitcoin. The volume is what is needed in order to bring Dogecoin up to the moon. And having trading volumes that exceed the greatest cryptocurrency, the most expensive cryptocurrency, the greatest cryptocurrency with the greatest market cap in the world is absolutely saying something. Look at what it says for the forecast for 2022 and 2023. This is somebody who's speaking in a conservative mindset, someone with technical analysis, someone with expertise, and what they're conservatively projecting and predicting for Dogecoin. It says Dogecoin is expected to stay strong and head towards its first $1 mark at the beginning of 2022. That is absolutely amazing. Trading Beasts predict that Dogecoin price will surpass 8 cents in January and eventually hit its all-time high in February at nearly 9 cents. The bullish movement is expected to continue throughout the year, with the cryptocurrency likely to reach 9 cents at a maximum price. So they're possibly saying by 2023, 2022, we will see Dogecoin at nearly 9 cents. So theoretically, even if we weren't to pump to $1 or to 50 cents or 30 cents, which is very likely, to at least hit 20 to 30 cents in those time frames, especially when Bitcoin and Ethereum are projected to hit crazy numbers, they will certainly drive up the whole crypto market. They will certainly drive up Dogecoin, but they're saying that Dogecoin is basically going to hit 9 cents, and that is it is more than 2 times, which is great. That's 200%. That is more than the stock market will perform. That is more than most stocks will perform. So that is still a very bullish conservative sentiment. It says Dogecoin's price is expected to be bullish all the way up until 2025 at least. That is very incredible. So if we have people that are conservative saying that Dogecoin is continuing to be bullish, that shows you that that is a great investment. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. But somebody who's conservative saying Dogecoin is a incredible investment, but it's going to be bullish, you're better off only owning Dogecoin than the entire stock market. But I wouldn't recommend that. I would diversify my assets in my portfolio. But basically, you're better off in Dogecoin than the stock market because the stock market is absolute garbage right now. Most importantly, we need to go ahead and do some technical analysis. We need to go over this price action. We need to go over what is happening to Dogecoin, what happened historically for Dogecoin, where are we headed to next, because that is what technical analysis can do. It can give us sights on the future of a particular cryptocurrency or stock. It can let us know what is basically next. Where are we headed? What is going to be happening? So if we look at a 1-hour chart, we were bearish for the longest, guys. Whenever we are trading under these EMA ribbons, you see this whole ribbon thing and it changes and everything like that. Basically, these are moving averages. And when the price movement is under these moving averages, it shows a bearish momentum. But once you break out of this, which we've recently done today, once you break out of this, which in the 1-hour chart, we've broken out of it, that shows very bullish momentum that we are trending upwards. And then there might be a point where it might break down under it, which then we flip bearish, and that is only for the short term. And if we take a look at the 4-hour chart, it still says that we are inside of these bands, which is still bullish because we've reversed from this point, guys. This was the bottom, and our market cipher indicated, look, whenever you see these 2 green dots, that shows in signals for us, especially in the 4-hour chart, a strong bottom. And there's not many of them. It only shows the bottoms, and that shows the bottom before there's a major reversal. So I love this. So on the 4-hour chart, market cipher is showing that we are in a very bullish pattern and we are going to be continuing up unless something happens. But I believe especially we need some confirmation to show that we are truly going up and that we are in a bullish momentum. And the long term, we are actually still bullish no matter what. But if we, within the next couple of hours, several hours, maybe by tomorrow, I believe we can continue to pump and pump outside of these EMA bands, these ribbons, and we will continue to move up because we have Ethereum, we have Bitcoin pumping, and those things are going to continue to help Dogecoin. But something we need to be aware of, that we're now going to be entering altcoin season. And February and March is typically and historically always very bearish months for cryptocurrencies. Even though we've made some really big moves for cryptocurrencies, those are typically bearish months, and a lot of things have to do with that. But that is not important. What is important is we are now approaching April, which April, May, and November are the most bullish months for cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano. So in those months, that is when you want to get in before they happen. And we are going to be making a lot of profits, a lot of money. So guys, I believe that we are going to be seeing, if you can get in at this price for Dogecoin, that is an incredible steal. But I think we are very cheap. I think it's a great buying opportunity at this level. We are near 5 cents, guys. That is the wall. That is the bottom. I don't think we're going to be going any lower because we've seen a massive correction in the crypto market, especially Dogecoin, but Dogecoin has been holding up very strong. I think we are in a good position to enter our trade, enter a long position, because we are going to be heading up from this point this year. We might come down again, we might go up and down, but overall, if we look at the longer picture, we are at a very cheap price and we are going to be much higher at the end of the year than we are now. So if you guys liked today's video, please hit that like button and subscribe. And comment in the video below some of your thoughts. Let's talk about Dogecoin and send it to the moon with your likes, and I will see you guys in the next one.